Torrential slide value equivalent to 238.43 rands a coin. The present cost range, 233.65 240.34. The earlier day close, 234.52. The change was plus 3.91. Plus 1.67%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 26. Cost 233 rands, high 249, low 217. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 27. Cost 247 rands, high 264, low 230. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28. Cost 264 rands, high 282. Low 246. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, June 29. Cost 267 rands, high 286, low 248. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 30. Cost 260 rands, high 278, low 242. Torrential slide figure on Monday, July 3. Cost 260 rands, high 278. Low 242. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 260 rands, high 278, low 242. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 261 rands, high 279, low 243. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, July 6. Cost 250 rands, high 268, low 233. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Friday, July 7. Cost 254 rands, high 272, low 236. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 10. Cost 249 rands, high 266, low 232. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 245 rands, high 262. Low 228. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 207 rands, high 221, low 193. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 13. Cost 202 rands, high 216, low 188. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 14. Cost 199 rands, high 213. Low 185. Torrential slide figure on Monday, July 17. Cost 189 rands, high 202, low 176. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 200 rands, high 214, low 186. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 188 rands, high 201, low 175. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost 191 rands, high 204, low 178. In about a month torrential slide figure on Friday, July 21. Cost 190 rands, high 203, low 177. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Cost 201 rands, high 215, low 187. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 201 rands, high 215, low 187. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 torrential slide cost forecast for June 2023. To start with cost at 278 rands, exorbitant cost 294. While low cost 192. The found the middle value of cost 256. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 260. Change for June 6.5%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 260 rands, exorbitant cost 308. While low cost 175. The found the middle value of cost 258. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 288. Change for July 10.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 288 rands, exorbitant cost 288. While low cost 238. The found the middle value of cost 268. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 256. Change for August 11.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 256 rands. Excessive cost 272. while low cost 236. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 255. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 254. Change for September 0.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 254 rands. Excessive cost 274. While low cost 238. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 256. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 256. Change for October 0.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 256 rands. Excessive cost 256. While low cost 218. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 241. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 234. Change for November 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 234 rands. Exorbitant cost 290. While low cost 234. The found the middle value of cost 257. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 271. Change for December 15.8%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 271 rands. Exorbitant cost 271. While low cost 212. The found the middle value of cost 246. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 228. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 228 rands. Exorbitant cost 228. While low cost 179. The found the middle value of cost 207. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 192. Change for February 15.8%. Torrential slide estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 192 rands. Exorbitant cost 232. While low cost 192. The found the middle value of cost 208. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 217. Change for spring 13.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 217 rands. Excessive cost 221. While low cost 193. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 210. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 207. Change for April 4.6%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2024. Initially cost at 207 rands. Excessive cost 207. While low cost 162. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 188. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 174. Change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 174 rands. Excessive cost 216.